Hello, I am Oliver from the company e-Trading Europe. We are from Hungary. In this video, I want to show you some staggering and shocking pictures that I downloaded from the group chat between our warehouse and office. In this video, you can see what we experienced in the past 8 years due to the poor and negligent packing method by suppliers. Everything that you can see are already the results of the bad packing method by our suppliers. What is the reason behind the incomplete packing? A. The supplier doesn't have the sufficient knowledge how to prepare a shipment for international transportation, where the shipment goes through several hands and logistic hubs and loaded on many delivery vehicles or aircrafts. B. The most suppliers doesn't care if the shipment arrived in the perfect quality because the customers has already paid the value of the order before the delivery happened. According to my experience over the past 8 years, unfortunately the B is the typical answer. So the supplier doesn't care if the customer is going to receive the order in perfect quality because it has already been paid before the shipping. It is a nice attitude, isn't it? If you go through this video, you will see the deficiencies of the packing. You will see that most of the suppliers are so brave that they don't even use any black film foil or tape with company logo or double-layered box. They barely use any kind of tape to close the box or the pallets. It is really a shame. The good news is that there is always a solution to make your customer satisfied by preparing the parcel perfectly for international delivery. Few weeks before, I already shooted a video where you can see the perfect way of packing that our company used for many years. You can find a link to this video in the description. If I can help you with any information or to optimize your packing method within your warehouse, I'm here to help you with any kind of information. Just send me a direct message. I was Oliver from the company e-Trading Europe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.